In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project report with a Gantt view to a Smartsheet dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account, then head to the home page. You can do this by going to the main Smartsheet URL and choosing Home from the top navigation. The home area is your central hub where you'll see your workspaces, sheets, reports, and dashboards. From here, we're going to jump straight into the dashboard where we want to display our project report. On the home screen, look for the dashboard called Project Dashboard and click on it. This opens the dashboard editor and shows you all of the existing widgets already laid out. Think of widgets as building blocks. Each one can display different kinds of content like charts, metrics, or reports. In this case, we're going to add a new widget that displays a report with an optional Gantt view. Once the project dashboard is open, move your mouse to the area where you want to place the new report. You'll see options or icons that let you add a new widget. Click on the highlighted option that opens the widget picker. This will bring up a panel with different widget types. From that panel, look for the option that says, Display a report on the dashboard with optional Gantt view. Then click on it. This is the specific widget type that lets you show a report. And when the report supports it, include a Gantt chart so you can see timelines visually. After selecting that option, click on Add Report. This will open a window where you can choose which report you want to display. Here, you'll see a list or folder structure of reports available to you. Next, in that selection window, click on the highlighted area that allows you to browse or expand your list of reports, then click again on the highlighted folder or category that contains your project reports. Navigate through until you see the report named First Project. When you see First Project in the list, click on it to select it. Take a moment to confirm that this is the report you actually want on your dashboard, since this is what your viewers will see every time they open the dashboard. Once First Project is selected, click on OK to confirm your choice. Smartsheet will then add the report widget to your dashboard. From there, you can resize and position it as needed, and your Gantt view will be available whenever that report supports it.